Project Showcase by Laasya. Little bit about myself. My name is Laasya. I am 11 years old. I live in the US. I go to school in Oak Grove and I'm in sixth grade. Some of my hobbies are playing tennis, running, reading, and of course Python. What project did I choose to show? I decided to pick the third class project, which I wanted to focus on the binary search. This project was very interesting to learn about and challenge myself to learning new and efficient solutions. What is the binary search? These are a couple of examples, and the binary search is an efficient algorithm for finding an item within a sorted list. So deeper into the topic, the binary search algorithm officially finds a target value within a sorted data set by repeatedly dividing a search range in two halves. Main key points. I didn't finish this slide, but this is the code I got from my project, and it says, while not found and low, less than equal to high. This piece is important to write in the code so the search efficiently covers the list with accuracy. When the loop stops, found has become true if the middle element in the current search range matches the value.
Yep.
Uh,
So can you
the
just go
code
back
of
to the
my
previous slide, Laasya? Yeah. So,
this
so
part.
yeah, this one. So there's two parts to it, right? When you are done searching, either you have found the item or the low and high have switched position. So
Yeah,
because that's an and condition over there, right? So
yeah.
while not found and low is less than equal to high. You're right. I mean, this is important. Yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you for listening. Any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. So binary search is obviously very important, right?
Mm,
And that condition there, right? I mean, everything here has a meaning, right? I think we spoke about this. If I miss, let's
mm,
say that low less than equal to, if I convert to that low less than high, in fact, we'll end up missing one. I think the last item or something like that, right? So everything here
mm,
that has meaning, right? Why do we do, let's say, low plus high, floor division two? Why not divide by two, and so on? And that's the thing with binary search, right? That the concept is easy to understand, as your picture illustrates here, that you are searching in the middle and kind of repeatedly cut the list down into two, right? So which is why the logarithmic complexity, which is highly efficient, right? But then getting
mm.
it right in code in different situations is where practice is required, right? So
Yeah.
good job, and I'm glad that you emphasize that particular condition. That is the main point, really, right? Other than that, it looks all simple, right? But that
Mm.
condition and getting it right in different contexts is the challenge, right? It's a good one. Well done. Yeah. Anybody
Thank
has
you.
any comments for Lasya? Okay, Lasya. So, again, I've seen you grow through this journey. You've been working with us for a while. Uh, Keep building stuff, just like for everybody, practice is everything. And I really appreciate that, you are persistent with this. You are, um, building stuff. You're trying to learn things, right? Which is always good. Practice is what makes all the difference, right? The more you practice, the more you challenge yourself, the better it becomes for everybody, right? So the same message applies to you. Keep practicing, keep building stuff, keep solving more problems, and you'll realize that this will become more and more, let's say, you'll start seeing patterns more clearly. Even within binary search there are variations which you'll start seeing more clearly, and you will become, let's say, more and more proficient with it, right? So same, I mean, exactly same for everyone. So keep building, keep practicing, and I look forward to taking you further on this. Okay, so wishing you all the very best.
Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you so much. Yeah.